Alright, so we're messing with the Gs300 today, and if you can't tell, I actually have two black Gs300s, and I bought one of them, the second black one back here, for $225. It's a not running car because it doesn't have a key, and keys for these early Gs300s were like the first generations of the intelligent keys, and they're about $300 to $400 to have cut, like to buy the key itself, to have it cut and programmed, because you have to take the computer out to do it. Yeah. But yeah, so this thing was wrecked. The interior is like actually super nice, like nicer than mine, so I'm selling pretty much everything that's in here. Selling the car. I have the salvage title. The engine, I believe, is already sold to a buddy of mine back in Arkansas. Yeah, airbags didn't deploy, so that's nice. The actual key itself, I believe it was lodged in here because of the photos from the auction. The car is turned on, it's not running. So I think whoever wrecked it, their knees like fucking nailed the ignition and the parking brake, and just fucking smashed it. And they spilled the soda up there. You know, it looks like they blew their brains out or something, but they didn't. At least I don't think they did. But I got the trunk popped open. I'm taking the trunk lid and bumper off because my car's black, so I already got it somewhat taken apart. But yeah, it's got a gnarly hole in the radiator and condenser. But yeah, the crash didn't get all the way to the engine, so got a little bend right here. But yeah, I mean, all this stuff under here is good. It just doesn't run because I don't have a key. These things, once you lose the master key, it's pretty much game over until you spend that money to get a new one. So I'm about to take it apart, make my car not multicolored anymore. Yeah. Show you some pictures after that. And there it is. All black. You gotta clean that off, that paint. But she's all black again. I redid the stereo. I added a XSpower battery. I think it's a 3200, something like that. I can't remember. Whole bunch more 0 gauge. I have some 8 gauge for the sub, but I really didn't feel like taking that out. Finished painting the box, a little splatter, you know, a little whatever, team teal shit. It's actually the same color that's on this car. It's on that box now, so I think that's kind of funny. Drilled it to the floor, so now it won't go anywhere. Added some bracing, so it can go into here, which is a real bitch. Got wood underneath there that's tapped into the, you know, the frame of the car, the chassis. And then some tappers here that go all the way into the wood, so it moves a hair, but hopefully it won't go anywhere. And if it does, I'm just gonna run some big tappers through the hose because I'm tired of this box flying around back here. Because it's fucking 120 pounds probably, or about 100 pounds. So I got some bracing for that battery, some blocks of wood, and then this gets that wall right there. So all that should be good, and it's grounded out. And here's that wire I was talking about, you speaker wire, but oh well. haven't washed this car since I've owned it, so I might actually wash it today and attempt to buff some of this out, because I really don't want to switch doors from that car to this car. I could just buff that and then, you know, get this crease out as best I can. But it is what it is. Stole the floor mats out of it. The centerpiece has been reupholstered, so it's brand new. So I got the good floor mats. I have a deep cleaner I use on the floor mats, so they look good. But yeah, and the system, she's holding down. She doesn't drop under 12.5 volts anymore, really. We'll hit a song right now. Go to the YouTube. Go and do something different and some .36, 30 hertz. Get a good shake going. Suck up a lot of juice. Hopefully this is bass enough or I won't get copy striked. Yeah, it's beating pretty good now. And my voltage without me revving it up or nothing.